Very good morning class students. So today I am going to take revision class 2 on quadratic equations. So listen well. Find the two consecutive numbers, sum of whose base is 613. Solution. Let required numbers. I am taking required numbers as x and x plus 1. So from the two numbers, I am taking one number as x and second number as x plus 1. So as per given, sum of squares means x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 613 x square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square means x square plus 2ab means 2x plus b square means 1 square is equal to 613. X square plus x square 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 613 is equal to 0. Here what is the 2x square plus 2x minus 612 is equal to 0. So from this I am taking 2 table as a common. So x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So after the conversion, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0 by 2. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Here one quadratic equation came. What is that? X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Now you have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. We have three methods to find the roots: factorization, quadratic formula, and also completing square method. Now I am going to apply factorization method. Here 306. 306 we can write 17 into 8 is equal to 306. But I need 1 here. So minus 17 plus 18 is equal to 1. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So x square minus 17x plus 18x minus 306 is equal to 0. So from this I am taking x as common. So it is x minus 17. Here I am taking 18 table as a common. So it is x minus 17 is equal to 0. So finally x minus 17 into x plus 18 is equal to 0. X minus 17 is equal to 0 or x plus 18 is equal to 0. X is equal to 17, x is equal to minus 18. Required numbers. Required numbers. Case 1. If x is equal to 17, then x plus 1 is equal to 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. If x is equal to minus 18, then x plus 1 is equal to minus 18 plus 1 is equal to minus 17. So solve the following equation. 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3. Here I am taking LCM. What is LCM here? X into x minus 2. So x minus 2 minus x is equal to 3. X minus 2 minus x by x into x, x square minus 2 into x, 2x is equal to 3 plus x minus x gets cancelled. So what is the remaining there? Minus 2 by x square minus 2x is equal to 3. Now I am doing cross multiplication. So from the cross multiplication, what do we get? Minus 2 into 1 is equal to 3 into x square minus 2x. So minus 2 is equal to 3 into x square, 3x square minus 3 to the 6x. So 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here, by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a? A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 2. By using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus r minus 4b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here I compared given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from the comparison, a value is 3 and b value is minus 6 and c value is 2. Now I am going to apply quadratic formula method. X is equal to minus b means minus r minus 6 plus r minus under root of b square means minus 6 whole square minus 4ac means a means 3 and c means 2 into 3 into 2. By 2n means 2 into 3 is equal to minus into minus plus r minus under root of 36 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 36, 12 2s are 24 by 2 3s are 6 is equal to 6 plus r minus under root of 36 minus 24 12 by 6 is equal to 6 plus r minus 12 we can write as 4 into 3 by 6. 6 plus r minus square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 3 by 6. So what are the roots of this given quadratic equation? 6 plus r minus 2 root 3 by 6. X is equal to 6 plus r minus 2 root 3 by 6. So here I am taking 2 as a common. 2 3s are 6. 3 plus r minus root 3 by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are is equal to 3 plus r minus root 3 by 3. So x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 3 comma 3 minus root 3 by 3. So here the roots of given quadratic equation 3 plus root 3 by 3 comma 3 minus root 3 by 3. Find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. Here, what is the first equation here? 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. I am comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. So, to find the nature of roots, we have to find the value of the discriminant. B square minus 4ac. B square means minus 3 whole square minus 4ac means 4 into 2 into 5. Here 9 minus 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40 is equal to minus 31. Minus 31 is less than 0. Here B square minus 4ac less than 0. Roots are non-real numbers. Roots are non-real numbers. Similarly, what is the second equation here? X square minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 5 and C is equal to 10. B square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 10 is equal to 25 minus 40 is equal minus 15. Here also less than 0. B square minus 4ac less than 0. Roots are non-real numbers. Roots are non-real numbers. The roots of quadratic equation kx into x minus 2 plus x is equal to 0 are equal. find the value of k. So what is the given equation? Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. X into x is square. Kx is square minus 2k into x, 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. I am comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to k and b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Here, if roots are equal, so what we can write here? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square means minus 2k whole square. Minus 4ac means 4 means 4. A means k. Into c means 6 is equal to 0. It is 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. So from these two I am taking k as a common. So what's remaining here? 4k minus 6 is equal to 0. This is k is equal to 0 or 4k minus 6 is equal to 0. Then k is equal to 6 by 4. 2 3 is a 2 2 is a. So what is the value of the k? K is equal to 3 by 2. Here I took k as a common. So remaining 4k minus 24 is equal to 0. Now see here, k is equal to 0 or 4k minus 24 is equal to 0. So it is 4k is equal to 24. Then after k is equal to 24 by 4. 4 1s are 4 6 are. So what are the value of k? 0 comma 6.